So guys, this is the Arduino Automatic Pill or Medicine Dispenser. Alright, so this is the tray that carries the pill. It has 3 compartments, so we can call this morning dose, afternoon dose, and evening dose. Alright, this is the main circuit for the project. So in the Arduino Automatic Medicine Dispenser or Pill Dispenser, this is our LCD screen, liquid crystal display that displays the real time, which is the real-time clock, and this is the real-time clock. This is what brings the real time to alert the patient when he or she is to take the drug. So this is what provides that real time. This is a real-time clock module. This is a DS3231 real-time clock module, all right, that is configured with the Arduino. All right, so this is the LCD, the liquid crystal display that displays the real time by this guy, which is the DS3231 RTC Module. So this is the buzzer that gives the alarm sound to notify the patient that it's time to take medication. And this is also an LED that works alongside, that is programmed alongside the buzzer to notify the patient that it is time to take your medication. And then this is a push button, and this is a pull-up resistor for the push button, all right? And this push button is for the patient to confirm that he or she has taken the medication. So until the patient presses this push button, the alarm that gives the sound notification that it's time to take your medication, that's after the trail has already dispensed the drug, it keeps buzzing and the light keeps on until the patient presses this push button for the buzzer and the light, the LED, to go off. So this is a potentiometer, and the aim of this potentiometer is to just control the contrast of the liquid crystal display LCD. And this is our Arduino UNO. You can use your Arduino Nano for this project. All right, so this is the main brain, the main controller we're using for the entire project. So this is your DS, the real-time clock module, your buzzer, and your LED for the sound and visual notification that it's time to take medication. And this is a push button for the patient to press to confirm that he or she has taken the medication. And this is an LCD screen to display the real-time clock of this module. All right, so this is the complete project of the Arduino Automatic Medicine or Pill Dispenser. So let's see how the project works. I programmed the system to dispense at exactly 1 minute for each time frame, that is morning, afternoon, and evening. So once it's 1 minute, it will dispense the pill for the patient to take the medication. So you can see the real time. So this is the time and the date. All right. So once it's 1 minute, the tray will dispense for the first dose of pill or medication. So you can see it's counting, and you can see that the tray is getting ready to dispense once it's exactly 1 minute, and it will alert the patient that it is time to take your medication through the buzzer and the LED. So let's see, let's watch. All right. You can see the first, so take medicine. So until the patient presses the push button, the alarm and the LED stays on. And then the time continues. So guys, the next medication is in the next 25 seconds. And then the trail will dispense the pill for the patient to take the next medication. All right? So let's see. We're almost there. So I programmed it to dispense at every 1 minute. So you can decide to adjust yours. So it's about to dispense. Watch the trail. It has dispensed. So this time it dispensed 2 pills. And then the time continues counting. And you will notice that even when it was waiting for the patient to take the medication, that is the buzzer and the LED was still on, the time was still counting. Because on a normal, even as a patient, even if you forgot your medication and you are not there to take the drug, time does not wait for you. So that's why the time is still counting. So, and then this is the final one, because I have 3 compartments, morning, afternoon, and evening. So you can decide to increase yours. All right. So once it gets to that 1 minute as programmed, it will dispense the one for the evening dose. You can see. So like now, he's waiting for the patient until the patient confirms that he has taken the medication. That's when it stops. But check the time, because time does not wait for anyone. So it keeps counting. So it's done dispensing the entire medication. So the final part of the program is that the train will return back to its original position for it to be refilled. Program your own in a different way. And if you have any suggestion, please drop it in the comment section below. If you have any question or observation, drop it in the comment section below. You can see it's returning back to the initial position for it to be refilled. Why? Because it's done dispensing the medication. So it has returned back to the original position. So this is the Arduino Automatic Pill or Medicine Dispenser. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any question or any modification to this system, please drop it in the comment section below. I would really like to hear your opinion. I would really like to get your suggestions and your feedback about this project. And if you have any question or suggestion on any project you want me to post on this channel, please let me know and I'll get right to it. Here is a computer-aided design of the Arduino Automatic Pill Dispenser. And this was designed with Fusion 360. You can see the servo motor and you can see how the computer-aided design looks like. The goal of this design is to help you in building your own casing from scratch. And I use plastic in framing up the casing. So there are 2 designs. This is the first one and this is the one I displayed on the video. So this is the second design, but I prefer the first one, but this also works. All right. So you can see that there was no angle bar in this last design. You can see the servo motor, how it was placed, and how you can design yours. You can use plastics, you can use carton paper. So plastic preferable, it will be stronger and better. So this was designed with Fusion 360. The computer-aided design was designed with Fusion 360. All right. So guys, what do you think about this project? Do you want to recreate this project yourself? If you want to, click on the link in the video description below to access my technical article. And in that article, you will get the code, but not just the code, but a detailed explanation of the code. And you get a circuit diagram and you get a thorough explanation of how the entire project works, so you can modify the project yourself and understand the in and outs of the project. All right. And please click on the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. And if you like this video, you enjoyed the video, just give me a thumbs up to encourage this channel and share the video. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video and bye-bye.